We have El Rancho, Fuego, Jerky. So this is the same powder that they use on sakis, them sake chips. The same powder that they use for that. They put it on these beef jerkies right here. And supposedly it's hot. You get a slab, I'll get a slab. And let's see what happens. Here's the review right here. First of all, here's what it's looking like. We got the Fuego. If you don't know now, now you know. Look at all that sake dust on there. I'm gonna do a big bite.
It's like a chip, but then it starts forming into regular jerky.
So the crunch is outrageous. And the flavor is right there. It's like you're getting a full, flavorful bite, and then it turns into some soft, savory beef jerky. So it starts out very crunch-like.
Make my eyes water.
Not a flavor. You get a flavor in every bite. This is real good stuff, guys. I don't know what part of the cow this is, but I'm taking a bite out of this every single time.
This would be a fire school snack.
Guys. Fuego.
Good.